Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I wanted to show you what real quick. This is day 15 of the Three Rivers Challenge. And I did go to the store today. I went to Jewel Osco because tomorrow is the last day for their for this particular sale. So I was completely out of chicken. I had no chicken in the freezer whatsoever. So they had thighs and or legs for 99 cents a pound. So I picked up 2 packages of thighs. The pub burgers were 99 cents for each, which makes these pretty cheap. So, and I was allowed to get 8 of them, so I got 8, and this is with digital coupon. This was not a digital coupon. The produce here was, these were digital. These are really rather large oranges. They're called heirloom California oranges or whatever, but they're big, 59 cents a pound, so I picked up 2 because they're so huge. The iceberg lettuce was 99 cents a pound, or 99 cents each. That's pretty good. This was 99 cents for the mushrooms, 99 cents for the baby carrots. Now, I don't usually buy these, but for 99 cents, that's fine. And this bag of coleslaw mix, I was happy to get that. So that's it for my fresh produce because I think I have 1 apple left and 2 cuties left, and that's the extent of my fresh produce. So the total for this amount was $20.48. I am not unhappy with that. Okay, that's it for me today. I just wanted to show you this haul, and I feel pretty good about it because now I've got some chicken in the freezer. All right, I love you guys. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All righty, love ya. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.